Hello, I'm Sean from amomii, and in this video I would like to talk about the 3D printables that come with the amomii Uno. We'll start off with this print in place case. By print in place I mean it prints flat like this, and as soon as it comes off the print bed it has moving joints with no assembly required, and it can close up, and it even has a latch. Another cool thing about this one is if you unlatch it and swing the lid around to the other side, it also latches on this side, and your microcontroller can sit like this and you can use it while it's still in the case. Similar to this one, we have an empty box for keeping little components in. We call it the bits box. Again, this one can fold over and you can access your bits like this. And to keep everything in and your breadboard, we have this one, this proto box here. So this one has a clip which is also print in place. This comes straight off the print bed and you can clip it and unclip it like that. It opens up like this and is made to fit one bit box and one amomii Uno case. And as you can see, it makes prototyping nice and neat, keeping everything together so they don't slide around. Once you finish, you can take out the wires, close up your Uno, close up your bits box, and close the whole kit with the clip going in like that. And you've got this to take with you and store it nice and neatly. That's about it for the 3D printables with the amomii Uno. Bye bye.